Hey, would you like a peek into a secret marketing strategy that's worth $1 million without AI, Facebook ads, or expensive funnels? You're looking at the secret, and I'll explain in just a second. But first, this marketing strategy is simple and enjoyable for the people you're selling to because it involves drugs, specifically dopamine. What is dopamine? It's a pleasurable and addictive hormone that your brain releases to reward you for good behavior so that you'll repeat it in the future. Example, when you discover something new, dopamine increases in your brain and body. And as a result, we humans like new things. And that's why the word new appears all the time in advertising. What this means for you is by telling people something new in your marketing, you're generating dopamine, and your marketing becomes literally addictive, and people want to keep reading or consuming it, and that's very good for your business. And you're looking at a $1 million example of that on your screen. This is page one of a two-page ad I wrote for a client who sells expensive mattresses costing about $20,000. I added the yellow highlights to this first page of the ad to show you all the new and interesting facts about mattresses that I discovered in my research. And yes, there are a whole bunch of new and interesting facts about mattresses or anything if you take the time to look. For example, in this ad, researchers in the US and Europe have identified up to 61 potentially harmful chemicals in typical synthetic mattresses, and on and on and on. As a result, a lot of people read and responded to this ad, which ran for over a year in a local magazine and sold over $1 million in mattresses. And if you don't like print ads, don't worry. The same principle works in any web page, email, video, or sales letter that you can think of. So the moral of this story is if your marketing can say new things, it can make your prospects feel good, which makes your marketing more profitable, and that makes you feel good. And that's good for everybody. Please like and subscribe for more tips like these, and thanks for watching.